want no action. You want action, you get turned into passive. Your boy's deep, well, let's get to subtracting. Smith and Wesson made my night with some compassion. Fuck a beat, I was tryna.
Oh, what it is, oh, what's up? Can it get in them good? Why do I have to play every time? Like, one day, I'm gonna just come on here and be a normal YouTuber. Like, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, probably not. But anyway, hi to everyone that's new. It's your girl Tangeia, Tan Band Tiggy, Tan Band Gotti, the kid, all of that. And you are tuning in to another try-on haul. Haha. And if you've been following me on any of my social media platforms, you know I've been very consistent since the start of the year with my activewear. You know, when you're active, you be in the gym, you be getting lifting weights and doing that cardio, you know, hitting on the treadmill and that running man. So after the gym, and then you need to chill. So today's haul is inspired by all of that. Activewear, we got some new workout gear, and then we got some new loungewear. So if you would like to see what all we have in this haul from, you know, my faves, the faves, we gonna haul crazy with Fashion Nova this month, okay? They showing mad love, so we gonna show mad love back. And I say this pretty much in every Fashion Nova haul video. If you're still hating on Fashion Nova, I really want to know. Like, let's have a talk. Like, what's wrong? What's the issue? Please describe them below, because I feel like I could probably help you through it. Because I got the keys for you for shopping at Fashion Nova, because there's certain times of the year you need to plan that shit out in advance, and then certain times they're gonna come through with a clutch, and it's like, and you know, like, they just popping out here. They just keep growing and going, and you know, everybody ain't ready for their growth. They not even ready for their own growth, so stuff be selling out. So I'll be trying to get it to y'all as quick as possible. So we got these items yesterday in the mail, so we done tried them on, and I'm dropping the video. We boom. If we get another one, we gonna boom. So today is all about activewear and loungewear. So let's just go ahead and stop playing around. I was gonna say hop right into it. I don't know how I got stop out of that, but anyway. So the first item we have is this. Y'all know, if you've been here anytime, if you've been on my channel for any amount of time, you know we live for 2-piece sets. They're just so lit. Mix and match, switch it up, do what you want. So we have this 2-piece set. It is just, it's like a, I don't know. To me, it reminds me of like the cheerleaders, like cover-ups. Anyway, it's like a tracksuit. It's a red and white striped tracksuit. Really comfortable, really just easy attire to be. This is my vibe, honestly. Like, as much as I like to slay, this is my vibe. Comfort and cute. So I did size up in this. I got a 2X because major key when shopping. If you don't know a material, like, you don't know if it says straight polyester, that bad boy is not stretching for you. I look at the percentage, the stretch spandex percentage in everything that I buy. And if it's under like 5, damn near may need to size up depending on what the material is mixed with. Like, if it's straight polyester, oversizing up. If it says like cotton, cotton has a little bit of stretch, you can probably stay true to size. Rayon has a lot of stretch. Tencel is pretty much pure stretch. Wovens don't really have stretch. Knits have a lot of stretch, so you gotta know your fabrics. You gotta know your fabrics when you're shopping. So this one did not say that it had a whole bunch of stretch, so I went ahead and sized up because these thighs are massive and I want the pants to fit. Like, I'm okay with like oversized jackets, and this one's not really oversized to me. The sleeves are a little hella, like, they're kind of big for how I would like to wear it. So, you know, we good for scrunching stuff up. It ain't no thing but chicken wings, how you swag it out. So yes, I did size up in this. It's just a really cute crop jacket with like jogger pants. The pants are also a little bit big for my liking. I wish they were just a little bit more, not quite a legging, but just a little bit more fitted. But I do love this set. I mean, it is loungewear, you know, errand wear, travel wear, just pretty much good for whatever. Like, I'm just chilling in the house in it now. And that's why I decided to film in it, because it's just that comfortable. So next, we have another 2-piece set, and online I thought it was red, but it's more of like, see, it even looks red on camera, but in life, I mean, I guess that's technically red, but it's like a corally red. But anyway, it's this long sleeve shirt with leggings, and I live for the comfort. Both of these items have so much stretch, it's ridiculous, and they're so soft. It's like that. I really wish I knew what material this was called. Oh, I wish I knew, because it's just so soft. It's like a, it says polyester spandex, but it's something else, because polyester don't be feeling like this. This mug feels good, okay? When I say I would lay around in this all day, I'm telling y'all, I live for the comfort. Bump some heels, bump some skirts. Like, I need something between my thighs because I'm a mermaid. Them hoes rub. I ain't got time. Put something between my thighs. Let that stuff be comfortable and stretch and move on my body. And we Gucci, okay? We're Gucci. So this set is super cute. Again, we got the, like, athletic stripes going out the side. That's been my thing lately for leggings, pants, period. I just like some stuff going out the side. I don't know what it is. So, yes, dress this up. Dress it down. Layer it. Put on some tennis shoes. You could just snazz it up a little bit. Super cute, comfortable, easy to wear. So next we're gonna start jumping into actual workout gear. I be in the gym. If you follow me on Instagram, I did do a live talking about like what I've been doing with this weight loss, because some of y'all been commenting, y'all been noting your girl's been going down a little bit. You know, we've been on a journey. Initially it started for the weight just because I was not feeling like myself. I felt sluggish and I just knew I'm just too bubbly. I have so much more energy. Where is it at? We had packed on an extra 30 pounds we had never held on in life before. And I'm like, oh, this is why you're so tired. This is why your ass can't breathe. So we got on this health kick and we done lost weight to where we feel back to normal. And now it's just maintaining that and, you know, maintaining the curves, because I actually like my size. I had a goal weight that I wanted to lose, which was like 50 pounds. I'm over it now because I feel good. That's how it always goes. It's like, oh, you don't feel good. You need to get that weight down. Oh, you feel fine. Go, I don't care anymore. So yes, now we're just maintaining. So I do pretty much go to the gym about 5 times a week. The gym is like my solace. It's my go-to place. I clear my mind. I think I push myself. That's how I feel like I gain so much confidence, because I go in the gym and do things that I don't think I can do, and then I end up being able to do it. And I'm like, ooh, look at you. Okay, girl. So yeah, it helps me build my confidence. So we need a new workout gear because I be in that hole every day. Like, I be running out of clothes, and who has time to keep washing? I mean, it's just a lot. And I only have 2 good sports bras too. We having to layer, and I still have to layer those. Oh, so we came in clutch today. So, oh dang, I gotta show y'all one item later because it's actually in the wash because I wore them to the gym yesterday because they're my new favorite freaking workout jeans. Or I might just insert a clip. Okay, so I'll insert a clip of the leggings, but I got this bra pretty much to go with it because they didn't have the actual bra that went with it. They're just some plain black leggings. So we got this top, this sports bra top. Now I love sports bra tops to just lounge around the house in. Like, if I have to pick the titties up, I'm not trying to put on no real bra to do all that, okay? Like, we're putting on a fake one. So I like these to lounge around in, but I also like them to lay over my actual 2 good sports bras that I have to hold the girls down because I do run. Like, I run. And these be... Hold me down. Okay, so we need something to hold them down, because even with the good sports bras, they're not held down enough. So I always put on my good sports bra and then like a tight fitted bra over top of that to just keep them secure in place. So when I'm doing all this extra activity, we're good to go. So got double action out of this bra. It has a cute little back detail. So really cute, comfy. It is definitely snug, but that's exactly what I needed it for. So the leggings that I will insert a clip of, let me tell you about them. Okay, freaking cute, maximum stretch. I don't remember what size I got, but I was so happy that they fit and they have so good stretch and they stay up. It's like, my issue is I'll have leggings that I'll want to wear to the gym, but they don't stay up when I run. I don't know if it means, like, some of them are too big and then some of them are too small. But these stay on my rump. They stay on my waist. I can run in them without having to be pulling up my pants all on the treadmill. I freaking love these leggings. And they're so comfortable and they're so cute. They have little mesh inserts. Bomb. When I say stretch, it's bomb and comfortable than a mug. And snatch. They snatch the love handle. When you want to talk about fupa love handle control, I was looking snackish in the gym. Ooh, I probably should save those snaps right now. Oh, what time did I go to the gym yesterday? They might be gone. So yeah, simple, black, good to go with anything. If you want to be cute in the gym, because once upon a time I just went to the gym in whatever, like old t-shirts and all that. Now I be trying to be cute in the gym, so we had to get some cute gear, you know. Get yourself together, upgrade yourself. Okay, that's pretty much what I did. So moving on, we have this next little sports bra top. Now again, this is snug on me, but again, that's what I need it for, to go over my good sports bras. And I'm so freaking sad that the pants didn't fit. The leggings that match this are so freaking cute. So they only, I think the largest size they came into was a large, and I don't remember what the stretch, the spandex percentage was on it, but I said, you know what, we're gonna try it. We're gonna try it because it's just that damn cute. I want to try. But what had happened was I was trying to put the leggings on, and the little part where it goes from this print to the mesh print was it was sewn super tight. So it wasn't going over my strong ass calves. It just wasn't budging. So we didn't even get up the calves. I'm kind of upset about it because it was so freaking cute. But this will definitely do its job for me, which is holding the good sports bra down, holding the girls down so I can jog. This neck piece, now I was a little bit like, but the way it sits, the way it holds the girls down, I don't even feel this, so it doesn't bother me. Super cute. Oh, under the back. Oh, it's so cute. It's just the cutest freaking print. It's so vibrant and girly. Next, we got some Liddy jackets because, you know, it's actually turning into fall. It's actually turning into fall. So, you know, when you go to the gym, you go in, you're dry, it's fine. You come out, you're wet. We need security, okay? So we have two cute new jackets, and I really needed it. I really needed this black one. This was the main one, and now we got a bonus. These are both like fitted workout jackets. They have the little thumb detail, so you can wear them like they're meant for you to actually work out in when you're outside. Keep them down. The thumb detail used to annoy me, but now it'd be clutch. It's like, bruh, this moving that you're doing, you're distracting me from my breathing pattern. Just stay down. Just leave me alone. So the little thumb detail that put it in and keeps everything down, keeps your hands semi-warm in the winter. I live for it. It has like little pockets. It's just so cute. It's just a thin little jacket. Both of them are. It's the same exact jacket, just two different colors. A little pocket for, looks like a cute little key pocket for when you go jogging. And they fit so good. Like they like accent my waist. Like I was just here for it, okay? Definitely here for it. Clutch Fashion Nova. Oh, I didn't show you. Oh, we got workout gloves. So I wanted these so long ago. I wanted these actually back in July because if you follow me on Snap, you know I went to Vegas, you know I fell, you know I cut my hand, I had to get stitches, and I lift weights, like I work out, so I needed my hand, but I couldn't. I had it wrapped and I had to keep ointment on it for so long, and so I didn't want to like reopen, like bust my stitches or reopen the wound while it was healing after I got my stitches out, trying to lift weights and straining my hand, so I needed gloves. I stole my mom's from hers, but now I have my own, so yes. And I want to keep using it because it actually does this. When I cut my hand, I think I pulled or cut some tendon in here, so now like I don't really have full motion in this finger, and it hurts sometimes when I like extend it or whatever the word is it. So the gloves really help me to grip the weight, so I'm not overexerting my fingers. You can see now I just got them, so I haven't worn them. We got calluses and we ain't got time. Pretty hands. My hands already look old like grandma hands, so we can't be having calluses on the inside. We got to keep them hands together. Nails be pretty, but girl, get it together. Get it together. So yes, I got these in a size medium, and they are so freaking cute. They have the fingers cut out because, you know, I stay on my phone trying to show y'all what I be doing in the gym sometimes. We don't have time for full-blown gloves. Like, I need to be able to move. It has a good flex situation, so good range of motion. It's not like constricting you, because some gloves can be too thick to where you actually causing yourself a safety hazard because you can't really grip the weight, so you are more likely to drop it on your foot, whatever. So these have a really good range of motion, and they fit, and then they also have the extra security of a little Velcro, and they're not like in the way to where like it's getting on my nerves. They're lightweight, good to go. I'm really a weight training female now, okay? Who lifts? Okay, next two things we got is leggings. More workout leggings, and it's a win. I hate when I have workout leggings that won't stay up. That's so distracting. It really messes up my stride when I'm trying to run. It messes up my breathing because I'm over here trying to pull up my pants. I'm over here thinking about, damn, whoever running behind me, run them next to me, they about to see my ass. My ass about to come out. Ain't nobody got time for all that. So we have leggings that stay up. I'm probably about to wear these to the gym right now. As soon as I'm finished filming this, I'm going to the gym. So, and then these, they're like, I don't know. They feel hella good. These are super snatchington. Curve you out, damn near Dr. Curves type stuff, baby. Snatch me up, hold my love handles in, hold that fupa up, get my breathing right, okay? If only you came in like some Spanx. That's what it feels like. It feels like Spanx material, the whole thing. Oh, I didn't show you the bottom. Has a gradient effect from gray to black. So cute. So cute. Actually, I have a top that like kind of matches this. It's not from Fashion Nova, but freaking cute. And they stay up. They just pretty much, it's like a second skin. That's really what this feels like. It's like a second skin. Feels so good. Both of them. I'm absolutely in love. These we had to do a little hop, skip, jump, lunge, damn near split to get these hoes on. But we got them on. I said, I know you can fit. I know you can. I know you can do it. We got them on. So we did have to stretch them out. And then these, they do like the thing I actually hate, which is they get white when you stretch them. They shear out. But after we stretched them out, they were fine. But like trying to put them on, I'm like, oh, y'all ain't about to work. Y'all not about to play me in the gym, having everybody seeing all my business when I'm already out here looking crazy, dirty, and sweating and some more. You're not about to have my ass off. It's not about to go down. But after we stretched them out and got back to, you know, regular to make them conform to me, we were good. So definitely probably would have been a lot easier if they were like a 1X. These are a large, extra large. So would have been pretty much perfect if we had that just a little few more inches. Just a few more inches. Would have been perfect. So the last thing from this haul is another lounge piece, and it's a matching set. It is called the Kelly Lounge Set, and it's lit. So it's like workout material here, and then sweater material here. And I like the color combo, color block contrast that it has going on. It's kind of cool, and the pants have the same thing. It's like, it's just hella comfortable, number one. So I definitely see why it's a lounge set. It's a crop top, so even though it feels like workout material, I would not work out in this. This is definitely some kicking it or running errands type stuff. So you have the matching little panel, like the sleeves on the shirt. So super cute, really good stretch, bomb stretch, doesn't shear out even though it's like a thin material. Can you see me? Can you see me? It doesn't shear out though. Like it stretches, and I think it's maybe just because how the print is, you can't see through it, but it does definitely move and stretch for you. So that is all I have for you for this activewear and loungewear haul. Get you some comfy, cute stuff. I always say get you this or get you that. Like, you can be in some ugly stuff sometimes and just be cool, but you know, I'm in this phase of life where if I can slay, why not? The bummy slay, the slay, the activewear slay, the loungewear slay, the two-piece slay, the jumpsuit slay. Slay all day, okay? So that's what the goal is. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. If you have not already, you need to go ahead and subscribe and join this Tan Band fam, because we got hauls on hauls on hauls. We're about to start doing probably makeup tutorials more, because the last one was kind of actually fun, even though it took me hella to film. But anyway, I digress. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel, and I will see y'all in my next one. Stay true.
Fuck a beat, I was trying to beat a face. 21. Put it in your mouth, how it tastes. Little bitch, back in, nigga, that's 100K. Oh God, 4 shows, nigga.